Stretching across mountains, deserts, and grasslands, the Great Wall of China is not a single continuous wall, but a vast network of fortifications built and rebuilt over centuries. Its earliest sections began as far back as the 7th century BC, later unified and expanded under the Qin dynasty around 221 BC, and most of the structure we recognize today was strengthened during the Ming dynasty between the 14th and 17th centuries. Built for defense against invasions from northern nomadic groups, the wall combined stone, earth, and brick supported by watchtowers used for surveillance and smoke signal communication. Far more than a barrier, it functioned as a complex military system across harsh terrain. Today, it stands as one of humanity's greatest architectural achievements and a symbol of endurance, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, reminding the world of the scale, ambition, and determination of ancient civilizations.